everyone, I'm Joya and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my hair.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So sorry if I sound a little sick. I'm just getting over having a cold. But yeah, just ignore that.
What do you mean refresh then?
Refresh because when I sleep in with my hair up and then I wake up, it's a little frizzy.
Oh,
so I have to fix it to make it look good. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I refresh my hair every day. This is about, I think this is second day curls. No, it's not. It's third day curls. That's kind of my favorite time because I feel like my curls look the best then. And once it dries, it'll have a lot more volume. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I refresh my curls in literally 5 minutes every single morning. And yeah, just keep watching if you want to see. Okay, so I look a little bit crazy, but this is what I look like in the morning. I don't sleep with a bonnet. I recently just purchased one, so I'm gonna see how that works out. Oh, sorry. I want to see how that works out, sleeping with a bonnet, how it keeps my curls. But today I'm just gonna show you how I've been refreshing my hair this whole time. I sleep with a pineapple. So basically I just sleep with a big bun on my head with a scrunchie. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I wake up. It still looks it looks kind of crazy, but still the curls are still together and everything. So there's not too much that we're gonna have to do, but usually if it looks way worse than this, sometimes I'll completely brush it out, or sometimes that means I need to start over and wash my hair. Oh, I'm out of breath. So the first thing I'll do, I just use my spray bottle and then I just dampen my hair just a little bit. Not too much because then it's just you're taking a shower, so there's really no point. But I just dampen my curls just so they can reform. Okay, so once I dampen my hair, I've been using this Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. I use this on my wash day too, but I like to use this to refresh my hair as well. So I'm just going to spray this everywhere. And also, if you don't want to buy a separate product, what you can do is mix either your conditioner or your cream or something with water. And then that can also act as something to refresh your hair with. I just like this one because it brings moisture back into my hair. Lastly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with a little bit with my gel. I use the Cantu Strengthening and Style Gel. I use this in how I do my curls and stuff in that video. So I use this on my wash day. So I won't take that much. I'll just take a little amount because I already have some in my hair. And I'll just go over it. And then I'll just scrunch. And then I'll just go on the tops. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes I'll go in and I'll diffuse my hair if it's a little too wet. Just to dry it a little bit. But that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm here editing and I forgot to mention that after I put on my gel, sometimes I'll put on a serum afterwards. I've been using the It's a 10 Miracle Styling Serum. I'll link it down below. It's the same one I use on my wash day. So sometimes I'll put on a little bit of this after my hair dries. But I just didn't that day, but I just thought I'd mention. Yeah, I know this video is really short, but it takes me literally 5 minutes to refresh my hair, which is why I wanted to show you guys how easy it can be. You don't need to wet your whole hair and brush it out and restart and do everything all over again because there's no point. You can just do a couple of these steps and your curls will be refreshed. And I bet my hair would look a lot better if I started wearing a bonnet.
Sorry, Fernando was that's my baby girl.
But yeah, I can update you guys with that and do an updated one and see how it's different to refresh my hair. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!